Hey Adam, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a couple things you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. Now I work with a lot of business owners to just kind of show them and help them with their SEO, website design, and other tools and techniques to get them on the first page of Google and bringing in more business to their company. So if at the end of this video you see that I know what I'm doing, I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and tools and strategies that can help your company grow, then go ahead and shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free advice that I give you and take some of the tools and tricks and tips that I give you today and implement them yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and just go over a couple things that you could start doing today to help grow your business online. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is going to be basically the content. What it's going to say, what we want to look at right now really is how much you have. I understand you're using Linktree, so really it's not a regular website, so I can just say right now you have no content. So what's important to note is that the content you do want to have is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words if you do get your own website built. And the reason is Google algorithms have actually released that that's the minimum that they want to see. So the reason Google wants to see that many words basically is their algorithm scrub for it to make sure that the websites that are established do have enough content on there that they're providing customers with what they're searching for. So it's important to do, but there's more to it than that. There also needs to be good keywords. So the way keywords work is whatever you type into Google, the Google algorithm scrub for those words. So for example, I typed in Chicago Flooring Company, and the #1 competitor in the area is this Footprints Floors. You can see there's Yelp and there's House, but those are directories. So this is its own website. So if we look at it, this is the website right here. It's a pretty nice website, well developed. But not that hard to make, but it does look good and it has a lot of content, as we can see. So what you want to look at is also what words that they're being found for. So what we do is I type them into a tool that I use called Ahrefs here, as we can see. And what Ahrefs does is it shows you all the websites background basically. So we can see that they have 24,000 backlinks and they have almost 6,000, a little over 6,000 keywords, and they're ranking 76 for those. So we could take a look at those real quick. We can see that they're in the top for footprint floors, floor refinishing service, hardwood floor refinishing near me. They're in the top for Footprints Flooring. A lot for their own business name, Footprint Near Me. Flooring Chicago, they're #3, and you can see that 250 people are looking for that a week. So it really, when you build that content, it really matters that you're being found for what keywords you have on your site. So if we go back here, we can also see they're drawing in a bunch of traffic, almost 6,500 people, more than that, clicking on their website a month. Now if we look at your Linktree, we can see that you have no backlinks, no keywords, no traffic. So you're missing out on a lot of clicks by just not having a website or being in the top ranking. So it really does matter at the end of the day, because the more clicks you get, the more chance you have at getting people to see your website and have the ability to reach out to you and get your products and services. So in conclusion, we discussed 3 things. We talked about the importance of content and how you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on a website. Obviously, you're using a Linktree, so it's not applicable, but if you were to build your own website, to have that minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage. Secondly, we discussed the keywords and how you want to make sure you're getting as many organic keywords so that you can be found via Google. And thirdly, and most importantly, we discussed just kind of how this SEO pans out and how the backlinks drive up the searches and how ultimately having that more traffic is what's going to bring in more customers to your door. And this is all done via SEO. So if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt in my mind that you can slowly start ranking up in Google and be at the top of Google in no time. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take everything that we just talked about and do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the more effective route and you want to hear more and see what other digital marketing strategies I have to help your business grow, then shoot me a message back or give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you.